Imagine a wall of ice suddenly rising from the water and bulldozing its way onto land. This is the power of an ice shove. Picture a frozen lake on a windy day. As temperatures shift and winds push, massive sheets of ice break free and collide with the shore. But instead of stopping, they keep moving, piling up like a frozen avalanche. This is an ice shove, a rare but powerful event where wind and water pressure force ice sheets to climb over each other, stacking into jagged towers. Some piles reach heights of 30 feet, crushing docks and even damaging homes. It's nature's bulldozer at work, reshaping shorelines in minutes. The next time you see a chaotic wall of ice along a lake, you'll know the incredible force behind it. Have you ever witnessed an ice shove in person? Share your experience in the comments.